So osteopathic manipulation is a hands-on form of treatment to help treat various musculoskeletal conditions, headaches, and lots of other things. So it consists mostly of very gentle techniques that are safe for patients of all ages, including children and elderly patients. It's a lot of soft tissue myofascial release techniques, activated stretching called muscle energy, sometimes some HVLA or high velocity, low amplitude, which is more kind of the popping and cracking that you might associate with seeing a chiropractor. Patients do really well with it. It's something that we can do intermittently as needed, or we can see someone routinely just to kind of stay on top of their chronic musculoskeletal concerns. So I'm accepting new patients for osteopathic manipulation as well. So if they would like to schedule, they would just call the scheduling desk and ask specifically for osteopathic manipulation or OMT.